ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Ka kenhun jong ka Aroha kuaya hapo ka jingalam jong ikong Polin wajri minta ka kenti ka Pynmih ya ka Jingrwai ka badang syudap thau thamai ban ai Kyrpang ya ki Kymih la kalong ya ki badang em ni ki blaklat no nang next lapar thai kani ki Jingrwai ka ai Kyrteng min riti ka dei ka tho do ba Ferdinand Kharbuli bat ka Pynbit Pynbyang ya ka sur Jingrwai bat ki jingput jingtem de ikong Polin wajri ka Jingrwai ka bathau ya ka dor jong ka Kymih ka pun bakha ya la ki khun bat ka Burom bagi day ban yo na ki khun ya kani Jingrwai la thau Kyrpang ru bat ka music video ka Pynbit Pynbyang da ka state of mind production bat la plat ba ya ka ha ka jingalang ka blingkot ka long ha ka yeng sa jing kong Polin wajri bat uba barkos wajri ha sauli mau diang ha ka janmi ka khatwai terek ujemang arja upsau ringkat ka jingan lang ki nongrwai jong ka Aroha choir ki parlok nong Krishan ki biajan bat kani ka kenhun bat ki we ya kani Jingrwai la plat ba ha ka rensan social media ha YouTube link ba ka channel di Aroha choir Minriti.
Kani ka juk jungi menta ladani keren yakini ka kitien khasi jungi let's say kalami ka ju si ka ju kitien ka bang keren man kasmi la hayi ngasem hajaka trai Jakarta la haki surok kilinti kisingkin hakinu binu ki benta jong ka imlang salang ka kitien tenrai let's say imbakan du kan dam no ni kitien paka mo ku banga ong te kum si benta ban senyang ya ka Jingrwai jong ka kitien te nglai le kat bala ban penan kam ye ki kitien tenrai ha ka ni ka Jingrwai mesti mbi tangani ka Jingrwai ka banga tho don kiwi ki Jingrwai ru henry ka banga smok komen kade ya i Miss Pauline i bala Pynbit Pynbyang ya ki sur Jingrwai sur jingtem jingput ki ba ngamla ban mudur ba kan long ka Jingrwai ka ba smokna mo te ngange ni jing senyang jonga kumunong tho ya kani ka Jingrwai kanang ai men siem ya ki long yeng long sem ki badang don imei pa wat ya kitu ki bang don shu imei pa ru ya si kanang ai men siem kan hikai yang iwei piwei kumno bangin ken kor yala ijong yala ki jong ki Kymih ki pa te ngam don sibun kentien bangan ai ya si tang kita hi kentien ki ba tang ban syo banya don bentalan kamtam kat kani kasmi kabakramo.
This is the first release of something that we've done in a more serious vein. I'm very grateful to Ba Ferdinand for writing this song, because when I first heard it, I couldn't understand many of the words. So if there is such a term as Shakespearean Khasi, that would be it. And what he has done is try to resurrect words we've never used. You know, the rich literary terms that we've hardly come to know. We only read about these in school. He's tried to bring that back. And I remember in 2001, I think, Khasi was one of the languages that UNESCO had warned against extinction. In the sense there were not many people who use it well enough. And I see that with the rise of the internet, we are in great danger of that. So I began writing songs again in my own language, and I used scripture, because scripture, I think there is no higher translation or a higher usage of literary terms than the Bible. So that's what I did, and when I saw what Ferdinand had written, I was very excited. The family asked if I could set the words to music, and it's a very touching testimony to the love of a mother. And to add a little bit of background, my own aunt, who knows their family, had told me stories of their grandmother. It was quite legendary in how she brought up her children with very little to begin with, and how she provided for all of them. So she's a bit of a legend where they live. So this song is about how Ferdinand's mum looked after them, and how God paved the way for her to look after 3 beautiful souls. So you will hear that in the music, and you will see scenes of their own house. And of course we've enacted a little bit. One of the siblings has taken on the role of the mother. So as you listen, I hope that you'll say a prayer for your mum if she's still alive, or remember your mum if she's no longer with you. So thank you very much, and I do hope you enjoy the video.
Kyrpang kaya blamang siya may hating kong lay iko'y pinang khúc lấy kia bỏ kia răng solo đã trên cơn mê hôn cả yak la trên đô kia khu kia đô tu May